Good morning, dear student. Today I am going to teach about basic components of GUI Windows. There are different types of basic components of Windows. We today discuss about the title bar. What is title bar? Now, what is title bar? The horizontal bar at the top of the application window is called title bar. The horizontal bar at the top of application window is called title bar. At the top of the application window is called title bar. The title bar displays the title of the window. The title bar displays the title of the window. That means title of our window. The title represent the name of the document. The title represent the name of the document. Suppose that we type different types of the document and we give them name, which is so at the top of the document. At the top of the document, this is the title bar. The title bar also contains 3 buttons at the right hand corner. The title bar also contains 3 buttons at the right hand corner. Minimize button, maximize restore button and close button. There are 3 types of button: minimize button, maximize button and close button. The function of these buttons are explained below. Now we discuss about these 3 buttons which are given below. Now first we discuss about minimize. What is minimize? What is the function of the minimize? Now minimize, this button when selected will hide the window and the program is visible on the tray of the taskbar as a taskbar button. This window when selected will hide the window. This button when selected will hide the window and the program is visible on the tray of the taskbar as the taskbar button. You can also use the shortcut Windows key plus M. We can also use the shortcut Windows key plus M to minimize all the open windows. That means we can open all minimize button. That means we can all minimize button we can open with the help of shortcut key Control plus M. This is the minimize. This is the function of the minimize button. Now we discuss about maximize and close button. Now our next point is maximize. What is maximize? What is the function of maximize? Now this button when selected will maximize the window so as to cover the entire computer screen. This button when selected will maximize the window so as to cover the entire computer screen. That means cover the entire computer screen. you can also use the shortcut key Alt plus space bar plus X. You can also use the shortcut key Alt plus space bar plus X for this purpose. For this purpose, we can use Alt plus space bar plus X. When the window is maximized, the maximize icon change to restore icon. When the window is maximized, the maximize icon change to restore icon. This is the function of maximize button. Now next about restore. What is the restore and what is the function of the restore? Now restore. This button is used to reduce the size of the window. This button is used to reduce the size of the window so that it can be resized as per the requirement of the user. Reduce the size of the window so that it can be reduced as per the requirement of the user. Requirement of the user. Again, when the size is reduced, the restore icon change to maximize. When the size is reduced, suppose that we want again size the reduce, the restore icon change to minimize. This is the function of about restore button. Now next button is our close button. What is the function of the close button? Now it closes the active window. That means when we work do any types of window, any types of program, and we want to close these programs, we can click on close button. Now you can also use the shortcut key Alt plus F4 to close a window, and we can also use the shortcut key. We can also use the shortcut key Alt plus F4 to close the active window. This is the shortcut key to close the active window. Now this is the minimize, restore and close button. Now we discuss next points. Now our next topic is menu bar. What is menu bar? Menu bar, which is we can show at the below of the title bar. There are different types of the menus: file, edit, view, etc. etc. Now we discuss about the menu bar. Menu bar. Menu bar is just below the title bar. Menu bar is just below the title bar. The menu bar contains various menus to carry out different functions. Menu bar contains various menus to carry out different functions. Click any menu to view the commands or tools available under it. That means menu bar is available at the bottom of the title bar. Title bar is the top position of our window. Just below there are menu bar. The menu bar contains various menus, carry out different functions. If we Click any menu to view the commands or tools available under it. For example, there are different types of tools: file, edit, view, etc. etc. This is the menu bar. Now we discuss about status bar. What is a status bar? A status bar at the bottom of the available. A status bar show the at the bottom of the window, where we can show different types of status. First, word, sentence, etc. etc. Now we discuss about the status bar. The status bar appear at the bottom of the application windows. It display information about the active program or programs. Active programs or programs. The status bar appear at the bottom of the application window. At the bottom of the application window, it display information about the active program or different types of programs. For example, a status bar displays page number, word count, language, and zoom level. It displays the number of page, number of word, number of language, which language, and zoom level on the status bar. All these are we can get at the bottom of the status bar. Now this is the status bar. Dear student, if you have any types of problem in this topic, today's topics, you can call this number. Now, thank you.